Good morning. I want to spend some time today. We'll break this into a few different sessions, but I want to spend some time teaching you how to protect your peace. And just simple steps. But first and foremost, how do we know what our peace is? Our peace is something that's deep within, something that we intuitively know, something that is a deep, deep, deep connection and part of who we are, and something that is whom we've lost connection with, lost touch with. So finding our way back to that connection, that space where we move from, where we speak from, where we find compassion for ourselves and others from, where we respond as opposed to react, where we learn to pause, learn to make our way through our day peacefully, without distraction, without allowing things to pull us away from our true center of being and existence. So, what does your peace look like to you? Moving through my day, for me, my peace is taking everything in, no matter what it is. If it depletes me, being aware of that. If it fills me up, be aware of that. If it's a way of reminding me that we only have each moment gifted to us, it's that. So let's try a little practice this morning just to see if we can find that peace. It's a pranayama practice, and it's just learning to come back to here, to find our own inner being. So if you would, join me this morning. If you wear glasses, take a moment, take them off, settle into a comfortable seat, whatever that looks like for you. If a floor is uncomfortable and sukhasana, cross easy seat, cross-legged pose is not comfortable for you, find a chair. Find the edge of your bed in the morning. Beautiful way to start your day. So let's take a moment and close our eyes and just tune into our breath for a moment. And notice it. Is it full? Is it smooth? Do we breathe all the way down into the lower lobe of the lung, the middle, the upper? Do we fill every tiny space with our breath? Most likely the answer to that is no. Most of us only breathe through the upper chest. So notice where you're breathing today. If it's jagged, that's how your day's going to be. We want long, slow, and deep breaths. So let's start with this morning. Eyes closed, sitting up nice and tall. Relax the shoulders down the back. Notice that breath. We're going to use our hand sparsha, touch, sparsha mudra, touch, and bring our right hand to our lower abdomen and breathe into your hand. We know that we can't breathe into our hand fully and completely, but we're breathing into our lungs. But by touching that space, our awareness is there. So breathe into that lower area of the abdomen. And exhale through the nose. Move that hand up to the midsection and breathe. And exhale through the nose. Move the hand up into the upper chest. And exhale. Now let's try together bringing that right hand down to the lower abdomen and breathe fully into the lower. Left hand comes into play here, middle. Right hand moves up, upper. Exhale, drop that left hand down to the belly. Exhale, lower, middle, and upper. Inhale, lower, middle, upper. Exhale, lower, middle, upper. One more round. Inhale, lower, middle, upper. Exhale, lower, middle, upper. And if you choose, continue that process with the hands, or just lower the hands, palms up on tops of the thighs. And take those full, complete rounds of breath, beginning in the lower, middle, and upper on the inhale. Exhaling from the lower, the middle, the upper. Think about filling the lungs completely, fully, the front of the lung, the side, the back. And developing that practice of pranayama, Vibhaga Pranayama, sectional breathing. And after you get to that place, just closing the eyes and settling in and noticing the peace that takes place within. So that's an even distribution of prana, your life's energy, fully and completely. Our battery charger, so to speak. If you think about it, we run out of our energy taking full deep breaths into the body, in all areas of the body, distributing all that pranic energy into the many places in our body that it needs to be to help us stay full, complete, and not empty and depleted. Protect your peace. Find it first. We'll learn more about how many ways we can move to protect it.